We talk about another producer for film, countryman, a countrywoman. In name na Blaise Option. Blaise Option na name na household name when we talk film production for Cameroon. He be one of the rare. When Stephanie Toom, Cindy Emade, Ebenezer Kepombia, Manula, they did plenty, Cherin Tamak, but you know reach more than 10 as I say plenty. I don't talk a handful of them. I mean professional one, they do correct work. So Blaise Option, he did interview for Laura Dave Imedia. What the Blaise Option talk, he make plenty people, they shed tears. He explain and say, he twin picking them. When get and today, the mommy for that twin picking them, he be quarrel with the bond they picking them. For that time, he be there na only 22 years. I be na first ndolo lamu esen jengele wa. Eba na dita ndolo ingale wa. Na first ndolo lamu. The girl he became biok. They go now for hospital when he accompany the girl for go born that picking them. What happened for the countrywoman I say the girl he born the two picking them and then after he quarrel for hospital. So he don't take care for a picking the sins. So he talk say if that girl is still there alive today, sometime he career for don't go far. And then anytime when you do something when you need to work for your life, he the job member say this. So if that girl be there, the team will work fine for your life. Now since 25 years today, when they get that. So the picking around be 25 years, Papa be there 22 years. So now 47-year-old man be Blaise Option. We now understand the team, countryman. So Blaise talk say he go write some film for tell that story because that story that's until he don't be with you for quite some time. He always shocky. He talk say if you don't be there, if you might be for picking they be there, sometimes you know for the do so, you know for the do so, sometimes you don't go far for any way they do am. Now so he dey. Blaise Option. Call it for you, Papa. Asia. Now so he did whole heart.